What's the matter? Oh, let's not have that on. Okay, tell me a joke.
What do archaeologists like? Favorite music.
Favorite music for archaeologists?
I don't know.
It's not country and western?
Nope, it's rock.
Ah! Moxie, what was your joke again?
Rock music. Archaeologists rock.
Why?
Oh, Geo.
Milk, egg, and flour. What about Oreos?
Yeah.
Dad, do you get it now?
Yeah, I get it.
And sugar.
And sugar. That's silly, Moxie.
Coffee.
What was that? Why did the chicken cross the road? Like, who cares? But you have to say something like,